Please tell us your name.
Sir, my name is Pragyanandan Giri, and sir, I belong to Karanjia in Mayurbhanj district. Sir, I did my undergraduation and post graduation from National Institute of Science Education and Research in Bhubaneswar. And sir, I graduated with chemistry major in 2020.
Okay, your roll number for this exam?
Sir, 313078.
What are your optionals for this exam?
Sir, geography and public administration.
Geography and public. Did you postgraduate in chemistry?
Yes, sir. Integrated MS.
Integrated MSc?
Yes, sir. 5 years.
Education, research, what is the name of subject? What are the subjects in it?
Sir,
Integrated means?
integrated means 5 years, sir. After plus 2, it is 5-year course. So, including BSc and MS.
So why you chose chemistry?
So, because I had interest in chemistry, sir, since 11th and 12th.
Is a special paper you call it or what?
No, sir.
That is for the chemistry. What are the subjects?
Sir, organic chemistry, and within organic chemistry, sir, there are heterocyclic chemistry and advanced organic chemistry, like that. And in physical chemistry, there are like quantum chemistry, chemical binding, and different types of subjects. And inorganic also, sir, like basic inorganic chemistry and basic inorganic chemistry, and some advanced chemistry like supramolecular chemistry, all this.
You had any special thesis in the?
Sir?
Do you have any thesis or special paper?
Yes, sir. In 4th year and 5th year, we worked in a lab, and also published the MSc thesis. Sir, in organic chemistry, basically. The subject of the thesis was like synthesis of unnatural amino acids. Unnatural amino acids.
Unnatural?
Yes, sir. Like there are 22 amino acids available naturally. Yes. So we actually take some natural amino acids and include some other organic compound to that amino acid and study their properties, like that.
What is the organic other compound you?
Other compounds, sir. In my project, I took that is one compound ampiron, that is bicyclic ampiron, sir. That is actually a heterocyclic compound. So in 5-member ring, there are 2 nitrogen molecules are there, and 1 benzene ring is attached to that. So that moiety we attached it to natural amino acids.
Which amino acid?
Sir, many I like alanine, then glycine, and some other like sir, isoleucine. All these we used.
How did you perform that?
Sir, the synthesis is sir by forming the amide bond. So basically by doing reaction in RB we perform.
Amide bond between what?
Sir, amide bond between carboxylic acid and amine group. So COOH plus NH2.
So how did you know that it is complete?
So by performing TLC, like thin layer chromatography. So we take starting material and we take the new reaction mixture. So if the height is different, then we can find that the reaction is complete. So new product.
You took some what is that type membered ring plus what is that called?
Thin layer chromatography, sir.
No. You took an alanine suppose.
Okay.
Then you took another compound.
Yes, sir.
That with benzene ring and 5-member. What is that called?
Ampiron. Ampiron, sir.
Ampiron.
Common name is ampiron. Yes.
I see. So ampiron and that you combine. Ampiron is what? It is acid or amine?
Sir, I think both amine and acid attached to it. Actually,
amino group will react with carboxylic group.
Yes, sir. Actually, we form like tripeptide. So this group may be at the center or at the side, like that. So accordingly, we add that group, sir.
Tripeptide.
Yes, sir.
So this ampiron,
Yes, sir.
you do chromatography for ampiron. Like
Yes,
the
sir.
height.
Yes, sir.
Then here also
That product.
alanine you also
Yes,
do
sir.
another thing.
Yes, sir.
Then product another.
Also, yes, sir.
So how do you compare?
Sir, we take in one TLC, like TLC graph is like that. So we put at the same similar level we put, then we run that in solvent, sir. So for example, 20% ethyl acetate and hexane like that. So the height will be different for different products. So the starting material height will be different and the product height will be different. So in that, by doing that after 24 hours, we can be sure that the reaction is complete.
How did you know that it is the desired result?
Yes, sir.
Product has come.
So for that, after extraction, we evaporate the reaction mixture. So yes, sir, we take NMR, sir, nuclear magnetic resonance, and we also take his mass, like mass spectrometry. So the mass will be desired mass. Will be
available mass spectrometer?
Yes, sir. In Niger, it is available.
Then you want to do?
Then NMR, sir. So NMR we can study the compound, and also if it forms crystal, so we take crystallography also, X-ray crystallography.
So much small how crystallography will take?
Sir, we perform some reaction like we actually store it in like 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. So after some day it becomes crystal and deposited below in some particular solvents. But it is the chance is less, but mainly we did NMR and that mass spectrometry.
So tell me what is benzopyrene?
Benzopyrene. Sir, pyrene is a nitrogenous heterocycle.
Yes.
So 5-member ring heterocycle.
What is incomplete combustion?
Sir?
Incomplete combustion of this oil, fuel, diesel, etc.
Sir, in complete combustion actually nothing is left. It is like carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide is produced. So when incomplete combustion occurs, there some carbon is left in that.
So what are they? So what other compounds are possible?
So incomplete combustion.
You must be testing your pollution test or whatever.
Yes, sir.
Why that is done? To see that carbon is completely utilized or not.
Yes, sir.
Tell me about what is greenhouse effect?
So
Greenhouse effect.
Okay. So there are some greenhouse gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide.
Yes.
So they actually absorb the heat radiation, particularly the infrared radiation they absorb. So when something is irradiated from the earth, these greenhouse gases, if there are in the atmosphere, so they absorb that infrared heat. So the heat cannot escape and the particular atmosphere becomes hot. So this is called greenhouse effect, sir. This is main reason for global warming.
At what level these gases are found?
Sir, where these are?
What level of the atmosphere?
Okay. Yes, sir. So they are mainly found in the troposphere, lower atmosphere, up to 5-8 kilometers.
So, how that is? What are the method of reducing it and stop it?
So basically, the primary method is like afforestation, and there is also another new method has been there, like that is CCUS, carbon capture and utilization storage, I think. So by using some mechanical engineering, the carbon is absorbed and stored below the water in some sea. So this is the emerging technology, and sir, I don't know details.
No, I think once you burn coal or gases is fuel, you burn carbon dioxide.
Yes,
You burn carbon soup, whatever you also form other things, nitrogenous compound.
yes, sir. Okay.
That you form, and benzene compound, what are gases and everything. So how do you get rid of it?
Sir, by using biofuel, I think. By using biofuel.
No. Your atmosphere, these gases are there.
Okay.
How to treat it? Biofuel is
ethanol, yes, sir.
That is different. But here, how do you reduce? Coal you cannot reduce.
Sir, if already present, I think there is less scope to reduce it.
Radiation?
No, sir, less scope to reduce this nitrous oxide and all these things. So we have to capture them, or we have to reduce the emissions, sir, from starting only.
So tell me, you know about methane hydrate?
Methane hydrate, yes sir, I have read. Sir, it is actually solid form of methane. Actually, methane and H2O, that is water, they combine to form crystals. So these are deposited inside the earth crust. So if we can, like, these can be used in as a natural gas if we can extract them. So this
Earth crust, you mean?
sir, earth,
Or under sea?
sir, earth crust covers also the land part and the sea part also. So
Land part in what state it will be there?
methane hydrate, so solid state it will be there.
But it is gas, methane is a gas.
Methane is a gas, but methane hydrates are crystals, I think.
Hydrate is water cannot react with it. It will not. Methane is a hydrocarbon, it will not. It won't react with water.
Yes sir.
Then
There is some kind of like hydrogen bonding or van der Waals bonding is there, I think. So I am not sure.
water crystallization, but you must be knowing the temperature on the earth crust, it is more than the surface.
Yes sir.
So gas is staying with another in a crystallized form, it is difficult. Underwater it is possible because the temperature is low temperature, it can stay. With water crystallization, can you say me details? No.
Sir, crystallization of water.
How many water molecules contain?
I think sir 4 water molecules.
4 methane molecules, they observe 75 water molecules.
Okay sir.
4 means 75 kete palla. So 15, something like that.
Around 20.
19 or 15. It's also study for 19. 18 is a big crystal. So, do you know what is the deposit in India? Which places?
Methane hydrate.
Yes.
Sir, I think Krishna Godavari basin and Mahanadi basin also that is found, and Kaveri basin.
Where is the highest deposit in which state, country?
Country, I think USA. Sir, I am not sure.
Next is India.
Okay.
You are postgraduate in chemistry.
Sir? Yes sir, postgraduate chemistry.
So, please just give me the hints that how the chemistry will help you in Odisha administrative service.
Sir, I have taken Odisha police service as first option. So in administrative service, directly there are less use, but I can say that for misuse of fertilizer, I can say that is one thing, and the drug trafficking issue is like rampant in Odisha now. So I have that knowledge about drugs, something little bit knowledge. And sir, if I go into police service, I think forensic science will be a part of policing. So being a background in chemistry, I can understand things better, sir. So these are few uses.
To be a good administrator,
Yes, sir.
can you just mention to politics?
Yes, sir. Sir, I would say first would be courage of conviction, and I think sir, integrity is another aspect.
So, if it will be posted as the director of vigilance, so what step will you take to prevent the corruption in administration?
Sir, basically there is citizens charter particularly. So if we implement citizens charter in every department perfectly, so the corruption can be reduced. And secondly, sir, there should be, like, if we take small steps, like if there should be CCTV cameras installed in main offices where the chances of corruptions are high, so that can be another step. And sir, like certain rates where we can actually issue one helpline number, so when people are asked to give bribes, so they can contact the vigilance, and vigilance can do some planned raid on the spot, sir. So in that way, I think there will be fear among the corrupt people, and this can be reduced.
Why this Taliban movement is very much discussed in the world politics now?
Yes, sir. Sir, Taliban is a militant organization, and if the Taliban is coming to power after defeating USA, as they said, so now the other militant organizations across the world will be active, like Al Qaeda and Haqqani network, which is also a part of the Taliban. And sir, starting from Boko Haram in Nigeria to Al Qaeda and Jaish-e-Mohammed in India, all these will become active. So, and they will have more confidence that they have defeated USA, the superpower. So that is a fear among the world community now, that the terrorism will spread to other countries also. So that is the major issue.
Which is the capital of Afghanistan?
Sir, Kabul.
What is the primitive name of Kabul?
Sorry, sir, I don't.
Kandahar.
Yes, Kandahar is a different city, I think.
No, that is the area. The entire area is called Kandahar.
Okay, sir.
Our Indian mythology is very closely
Yes, sir.
connected with that area.
Yes, sir.
Can you just guess in what way it is connected?
Sir, like starting from the Chandragupta Maurya, Ashoka, they ruled over that area, and Kanishka of Kushana Empire, he also ruled over this area, and the Bamiyan Buddha that is located near the Kabul, western part of Kabul. So the Bamiyan Buddha was also built by one Indian king. So. And in Vedic literature also, they like the river is mentioned, Akshu river, that is Aksas, and now called Amudarya. So all these rivers are mentioned in Vedic literature. So I think we have close connection with them.
That is not mythology.
History.
That is
Yes, sir.
History.
Yes,
I am interested to know something about mythology, mythological connection.
Gandhari.
Yes, sir, Gandhari. Gandhara, the old name was Gandhara.
Gandhara.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Wonderful. What is jihad? It's coming everywhere, jihad. What is this?
So jihad is a word mentioned in Quran. So it is basically, the translation will be like war for religion, I think. So basically it has different meaning and different interpretation. So one that is accepted interpretation is that to fight with your inner evil. So that is what called jihad. But the terrorists use it in different sense. So they want to eliminate the other religion, other religious followers across the world.
I'll give you just imagine,
Yes, sir.
1,000 years back, you are there, somewhere in the Asian countries. So you want to establish one religion, what you want. You see that people are fighting among themselves, there is no going, and there is much bloodshed, distrust. All these things are there. Faith, and kidnapping, all this. If you want to make a religion of your own, what you will do? You want to organize people and let them live it peacefully. What you will do?
So basically, there is also one example, like you can follow the Dhamma of Ashoka. So he actually,
No, you are there. What you will do? You imagine to be 1,000 years back, or 2,000 years back. 1,000 years back, Ashoka was there. Say, during that Muhammad time or what, more than 1,000 years back, what you will do?
so basically, I will do the same way like the Buddha did. So establishing one new religion with non-violence as the major thing, major central theme of the religion.
No, I'm putting it another way. You want a big cattle farm, 1,000 cattle. What you will do first?
1,000?
1,000 cattle there, Mura, this buffalo or cows. You want to establish a farm, cattle farm. What you will do? How will you organize? You have got sufficient money,
Okay.
funds. Then how you will organize this thing?
So I'll basically make the basic infrastructure first, and then bring them together and like providing them food or food and shelter like that.
What else?
basic need is food and shelter.
In your place, suppose you are posted to a Malkanagiri or somewhere. You are asked by government, you have gone to Navranpur or Malkanagiri. Land is there. People are not temporary. You would have ideal capital for organization. You have got money, you have got power, whatever you want, government will give you. What will you do?
So basically you are asking how to establish a farm, right? So basically developing the infrastructure and buying the cattle and
you must see certain farms first. If there is established farm somewhere, you must visit them and study them. If nothing is there, then you must make a project report.
okay.
Prepare a report. What will be your necessary ways? You have got money, everything. How will you organize them, arrange them? That generally happens in the field. How will you organize? You will see how many cattle you want to purchase,
Yes.
where they are available, and what is the type. You study them, then you land, you develop the land, then you do their food arrangement,
Yes, sir.
the grass, etc. You do the cultivation of grass, then for healthcare, you must have some veterinarian.
Yes,
Then for disposal of the product, when
yes, sir.
the milk is coming, how to dispose of it, how to sell it, and if it is not sold, how to preserve it, or convert it to other things. All these things I wanted to know from you. You are going as a man in a underdeveloped place.
Okay.
You are asked to do. You will do all these things. The government asks you to do.
Okay.
To organize them. Coming to the religion,
Yes, sir.
I asked you, what you will do first? You want certain way of life.
Sir, okay, by going the
People
same.
to organize people, that the bloodshed will reduce, kidnapping will reduce, crimes will reduce. What you will do?
So basically, first I will see, like as like producing the report. So, what is the issues and what the people want actually, and by bringing them together to a similar teachings, I can give. It's a similar.
Okay, it happened. It happened during class time because my friend is interested in mythology. So you must ask what are the existing religion in there.
Yes, sir.
What is their pros and cons, negative side and positive side. Then you decide your path. What will be in your view, what will be best for you. Copy from them, copy from that religion.
Okay.
Then the mix up, make a blending.
It's like it happened during Akbar's time, like Dini Lai. During Akbar also did.
Same time it also happened because you are studying about Gandhar.
Okay.
Not to me. During some time, Prophet Muhammad, during his early days, he came and toured all these places.
Okay.
There was Abraham religion that time, the Christianity, then Hinduism. Hinduism was most famous. He collected all information. He learned meditation. He will not be knowing. In a cave he meditated for months together.
Yes, sir.
Then he formulated this thing. That we are telling our weather is not created by anybody, it is dictated by God. Similarly, he told that it is dictated by Khuda from God. I am his only messenger. So he did that.
Okay.
So it is all, everything is. Jesus Christ also came to Kashmir area and the Sajnism was there. So he learned it from Hinduism and then you see all similarity are there. Quran also similar to our scriptures.
Yes.
And the Bible is also all the ingredients taken from our scriptures or whatever you call it.
Okay.
So that time until you know these people, when people you don't know, they all came to this side.
Okay, sir.
Muhammad came because he knew that religion or way of life, it was spreading everywhere. Iran, Iraq, Israel, and the border was the Egyptian culture particular, that religion or some whatever we get that are there. So these are all mixture of that.
Okay.
अपन आपको चलिए
ठीक है सर
ओके
Okay.
ठीक है सर
थैंक यू
अपन सजेशन कौन सजेस्ट करिए तो
He knows you are aware of all these things. You will do a little bit of thinking and arranging in your mind. Everything is good. And you this
Okay, sir.
that thing, and you have a good dress. Everything you do. Are you doing exercise daily?
No, sir.
Physical?
No.
Doing.
Okay, sir.
So that you will do better.
Yes, sir.
Have a good haircut. Everything is good. You are coming from Karanjia,
Yes, sir. Margans.
Morgan district.
Yes.
Karanjia,
Yes, sir.
which area? Karanjia.
Sir, Karanjia, Sekhar colony, like that, Golai area.
Karanjia. Okay. That's some, I mean, some, these Marwadi families are there. They are
Yes, sir.
bus business or something.
Yes,
They
sir.
are flying buses or something.
Sir?
Bus, motor transport business.
Yes, sir. Many Marwadi families are there.
It's a good place. It's a good place. How many schools are there?
Sir, in Karanjia? Sir, many, I think 10, more than 10.
One Adivasi school is there.
In Karanjia town, sir?
Talking about town.
No, sir.
Near about town.
Particularly dedicated to tribal. No, sir.
Tribal school is not there.
Sir, I have
One some Ashram school also they call it.
maybe, sir, around the town, but not inside the town, sir.
Away from town.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay, you
Okay.
stand a good time. You should good time.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
हैंड मोमेंट की और दिखाइए एक्सप्लोजर है